MICROMAX Canvas Mega, and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following screen, let's hold down on power off, and the following information should pop up. Let's tap OK to reboot to safe mode, and let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device in a safe mode. Alright, the safe mode pops up, so now you can unlock the phone and start using your device in a safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key, choose here reboot, and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely ready to use. That's it, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.